Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay someone on the Splitwise app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Splitwise application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account, you will be taken to the homepage where you can use your email address and your password or your Google account to log in. Once you are logged in and taken into your groups, you will see all of your pending transactions at the top section. Just navigate into the group, and if you owe your friends any amount, you will see this message, which will basically tell you that you owe your friend the displayed amount. You can tap on the Settle Up button and you will be able to start making your payment. Just enter your amount that you wish to pay to the user, and you can also choose your currency by tapping on the currently chosen one. After entering your amount that you want to pay to your friend, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner and also make sure that you are within the current group. Once you tap on the tick mark, your payment will be added right away, and you will also see this within the activity log that you have paid the amount that you just entered. And there you have it. That is how you can signify paying someone on Splitwise. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.